White-eyed vireos are small, olive-green songbirds that are a common winter resident in Florida. White-eyed vireos are often found in dense understory vegetation, where they forage for insects. Males and females look identical. They have a bluish-gray and olive-green head, back and wings, a white underside, a yellow eye ring and yellow flanks. White-eyed vireos are primarily insectivorous, feeding on a variety of insects, including caterpillars, beetles, and flies. These birds are known for their aggressive territorial behavior, often chasing away other birds.